Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fix doping Wi-Fi on XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. To fix it, you need to go to the more connectivity options. Here reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Here press reset settings, or your pattern, and press OK. If it isn't you helped, go to the About tablet, press here, and you may do not have the last update of your OS. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, press like button below the video, and goodbye.